A lone seal struggles to move, its sleek body weighed down by clusters of barnacles. The sharp, jagged edges of the barnacles have injured its skin, causing it visible pain. It lies on the cold, snowy ground, exhausted and vulnerable. In the distance, a bright orange rescue helicopter approaches, slicing through the gray skies. The team of 5 rescuers, wearing heavy Arctic uniforms with distinct logos, steps out after landing. Carrying thermal blankets, antiseptics, and rescue tools, they move swiftly but cautiously toward the injured seal. One rescuer kneels beside the seal, gently inspecting its injuries. They remove the barnacles carefully, using tools designed to avoid further harm. Another member cleans the seal's wounds, applying antiseptic and wrapping them with bandages. The seal flinches slightly, but seems to relax as the team works calmly and compassionately. After the treatment, the rescuers offer the seal a fresh fish. Weak but hungry, the seal eagerly accepts it, munching away as the team smiles, watching it regain strength. The environment begins to feel calmer, the wind settling into a gentle breeze. With its wounds treated and its energy restored, the seal begins to move more freely. The team steps back, watching as it heads toward the icy waters. Before diving in, the seal looks back briefly, almost as if to thank its rescuers. The team packs up their equipment, climbs into their helicopter, and takes off, leaving behind a scene of hope and resilience in the Arctic wilderness. The snowy expanse is quiet once more, but the impact of their actions lingers. Sometimes, even the smallest acts of kindness can create ripples of hope in the harshest environments. This rescue reminds us of the beauty of compassion and the responsibility to protect the incredible creatures of our planet.